Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out the newly released Beats Studio Buds Plus. So right away, these go for $169.99. They are definitely on the pricier side of things, but we'll have to go ahead and test them out just to see if it's actually worth that price. So in this video, I'll go ahead and unbox this, go ahead and look at it, and then I will actually go through the setup process as well and show you some of the settings that you can actually achieve with the app or with these earbuds. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. Starting off the box, we can see that we have an image of what the Beats Studio Buds Plus look like, or the ear tips look like. And this is also in the transparent version, which is super nice to see that other people are doing these transparent things, especially when I am actually dailying the Nothing Ear 2s right now, just because of how they look. They sound great, but it's mainly because of the looks. They also do come in black/gold and ivory if you still do want that traditional colors. However, this is the one I went with. So we do get active noise canceling and up to 36 hours of battery life with the case. And on the right side or the left side, we do get some more information. So active noise canceling and transparency mode up to 36 hours with ANC off, 9 hours earbuds, and 27 hours with the case. And then we do get some more information here. So true wireless earbuds with USB-C charging case and cable. So to open it up, all we have to do is just pull this tab right here, and we do rip it, and voila. So here is our Beats Studio Buds Plus. There's nothing else inside the packaging, everything comes out in one piece. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. And here is our first look at the Beats Studio Buds Plus. Very nice packaging, very nice and simple. As you can see, we have the ear tips right here. I'm not sure how we actually take this off. Alright, just slide it out, and then we also do get the charging cable right here. And again, it is a USB-C to C charging cable, slightly small, just like most other earbuds. They do come with a very tiny cable, and I usually don't tend to use this cable. It just sits around somewhere. And then we do have a complete product guide if you do scan that QR code. If we do take a look at the tips, we obviously probably have the mediums on here, and then we have large, small, and extra small, which is super nice to see that we do get some more options. And if we do check them out, we can see all the tips are there. And again, as I said, the medium tips are probably on the earbuds because that's how it usually is. So let's go ahead and put this to the side and take a look at everything else. And what else do we get in here? So we probably get some booklets and whatnot, which we don't really need to check out, but I would like to see if they do have any stickers. And they do have a nice Beats sticker, Apple Music now paired with great music, and then we do get some instructions, which we don't need. So again, putting that to the side. Alright, so quick pairing, open lid, and keep earbuds sealed in the case. Before we do that, I do want to actually take these earbuds out, if I can manage to. I'm not sure how, but it doesn't seem like it's coming out, so. Alright, so I did get them out, and here are the Beats Studio Buds Plus in their transparent color. So this case looks super nice and cool. One thing I don't really like about this, just because of the fact that I really do love how the earbuds, Nothing Ear 2s look, is the transparency. So it's kind of smoked out. It's not as clear. It's not completely clear like the Ear 2s. And I don't think I like it too much. It looks nice, but I would prefer a completely clear case over this. But again, this probably won't be showing the scratches as much as these do. I've only had this for around a month, I believe, and I've already gotten a lot of scratches on here, and I can clearly see them, which does get annoying after a while. So this might actually improve that. On the bottom, we can see our USB-C charging port. It does have this nice little red ring around it, which you can see under the shell of the case. We can see the hinge mechanism right here, which is super cool again. We can actually see the earbuds inside of here if we look from the top, the front. We do have a Beats logo right there, probably the battery right here, and some more stuff inside of it. So very nice overall. Before I open this up, I do want to let you know that this is compatible with iOS and Android for pairing, and all you have to do, let me get my phone right here, all you have to do is open up the case. Boom, we do get the red LED light right there, and as you can see, Beats Studio Buds Plus and Beats Studio Buds Plus. So we can connect either one of them super easily, which is really nice. So let me go ahead and close that, put these phones to the side, and actually take a look at the earbuds on the inside. So taking a look at them, we can see that we do have the right and the left on the inside. Putting them down, let's take a look at the casing. So we can see that we do have the magnets in there and also the charging connectors. And then we also do get the button right here, which is actually in black. So I guess it's easier to see it. We can actually see the magnets that hold the case shut, and also the plastic ribbon that goes around it to keep it as waterproof as possible. So we do get an IPX rating with this, which is nice to know as well. And if we do take a look at the earbuds right here, they do look very nice and clean. So again, it's a transparent module. We do have R and L on these, just to let you know that it's the right and the left earbud, which is again super cool. And we also do get the Beats logo on both of them, which actually look more like a 6 when you hold them straight, which is kind of annoying. I guess you gotta hold them sideways, but when you do put them in your ears, they are gonna be sideways. And then these parts are clicky, so if I be quiet, you might be able to hear this. So it is clicky, and you do actually click these to play, pause, skip track, and all that stuff. We also do get the microphones right here, and overall they look pretty decent. So looks, I am really loving them. Again, I would prefer a completely clear case, but this is how Beats went ahead and did it, and I still do like them. So they still do look nice and really cool. So let's go ahead and move on to the setup process. Let me go and get both my phones, maybe download the Beats app on my Android, and the iPhone already has the Bluetooth settings, so we might be limited with it, but we will have to see. So let me go and get it paired up and show you guys that process. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so let's go ahead and first pair it up with the iPhone, just to show you. So all we have to do is open the lid, and it should get the pairing process ready. And as you can see, we can actually see the transparent color on here, which is really nice. And it says Beats Studio Buds Plus. So we go ahead and click connect. It's going to start connecting. And if we do wait for this, it's going to see how long this takes. So very nice and simple. And we've already got it set up. So media control, press once on either earbud to play pause, press twice, press and hold either for noise control. If we do go ahead and click this real quick, end call is going to be pressed twice, and then we can choose that, and we can also see the battery life right here, which is really cool. So the setup process was very simple, as you saw, and now let's go ahead and actually get it set up on my Android device. Now let's take a look at the pairing process with my S23 Ultra. So again, same process. All we have to do is open the lid up, but since it is paired with my iPhone, we are going to have to hold the button and wait for the white button to shine. And voila. So Beats Studio Buds Plus. Go ahead and click connect. We can download the app on Android, and that's going to be the Beats app. So once we do get that downloaded, it should go ahead and have all the same settings with your iPhone. So let's go ahead and switch on to the iPhone just to show you the settings on here, on there actually. And so let me go ahead and close this, let this download in the background. And while that's doing that, I actually want to go ahead and test it out with my iPhone. And as you can see, it is already connected. So it calls Beats Studio Buds Plus. If we do go to my settings, and we go to Bluetooth, and then we do go on the device, so if we do go on my Beats Studio Buds Plus, right here, we can actually go ahead and check out some of the settings. So if we do go in, and are we connected? We are not connected for some reason. Alright, so now that we are connected, we can go ahead and actually see the settings right here, right in our Bluetooth settings. So we can see the earbuds percentages. You can actually see that when you do first open your phone as well, or your earbuds case as well. You can actually rename your earbuds. We do have our transparency, noise cancellation, and also our turned off mode. And then we can also see some more settings. So press and hold. We can actually choose what it does. We can change it, so we can do noise cancelling, transparency, and then we can also activate our voice assistant, which is nice. Ending our call is going to be pressed twice. Our microphone is already automatic, so it'll automatically switch your earbuds when you do change it. You can also find your earbuds in the Find My app, which is super nice. And we do get the model name, model number, serial number, version, and case name. So we don't get too much in the iPhone, as you saw right here, since it is right through the Bluetooth settings, and it does get annoying. But now I'm going to go ahead and switch onto my S23 Ultra and actually show you all the settings that we do get in the Beats app for the Beats Studio Buds Plus. So let's go to switch it up. And here we have it. So here's the look at the Beats app on your Android device. So again, looks very similar to what you would get on an iOS device, which is nice to know. We again get our battery percentage for both our earbuds and our case. It shows us that it's charging the earbuds, which is good to know. We do get the name of our earbuds, We can control our settings, so transparency, noise cancellation, and off, which is good to know. We can rename our beats. We do get some product features, noise control and volume settings, which is good to know. Again, press and hold. You can't change those. Call controls, press once, press twice, and our microphone controls. So we basically get around the same settings. However, we do get some more stuff with adding, since it is an app, and we do get some more features that we can explore, which is good to know. But overall, you don't get much else with the actual app. So these earbuds do look and feel really nice. It's nice that we do get compatibility with both iOS and Android, and nobody will have to lose out on any features when you do pick up these Beats earbuds. So overall, they look really nice. I am loving them. For the price, they should be pretty decent. I will have to test them out with the voice controls and everything else, the sound quality, and the active noise cancellation. But for my first impressions, I am actually loving these. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see y'all in the next one.